Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Matsha and I will be I am your teacher for teaching you some art and craft. Welcome to my channel, making crafts and ideas. Okay, so it's ideas I will tell you online. Okay, so actually in today's class we will do a painting. We need, I don't want to waste time, so we need poster colors, we need fabrical acrylic colors, a pen, I already and brushes. These brushes you need, and a bowl of water. Okay, these are the requirements. I will just get opened it first as is possible because I don't want to waste any more time. Wait. Yes. Okay, now just put it in. So now we will draw. We will not draw anything, but we will just do some painting. So actually first we need orange color. Is this orange color? Let's read. Poster red. No. This the color. This the color. This the color. So open it. Open it. I hope you have not to see that we have to paint this whole sheet. Just see. Paint this whole sheet. Okay. Just see, when you add a little bit of water, it will just get good, more good. And be careful, these colors won't get off. I hope you don't have to see a painting case. Okay, so those who have completed, sorry for the camera off, but the camera was off. Very much sorry. I'm saying I'm very much sorry. So I will just use from the Fevicol black color. These are very good color, but I will just open it. I'm very much sorry because of the camera off, but I will tell you the process because it's a very big video. It's not 20 or 50 seconds or minutes. Don't have to think. But I haven't told you that. I'm very sorry. You just have to manage it like this with your finger. I'm very much sorry. Just wait a bit. Yes. Okay. Is it looking good? Yeah, it's looking good. I hope you know this. I don't have to tell you anything. Just wait. Where's the scale? Yes. Here's the scale. I have painted. So you will just line wise just paint. I hope any problems won't face. And then what we will do, actually I will just wait for 1 second. I will just stop the camera off. Okay, now I've stopped the camera and I've opened again the black one, but it's the poster one. Okay, because for many issues. Well, actually I stopping the camera for many network issues. The video won't send for verification or some of you guys. So one thing explanation I need to tell you. Did someone explanation that our channel is now trying to just say you one important. You can't comment, right? You can't comment in my videos. You can comment on our Instagram page, not my name written, making earths and crafts. That's not name. That's not name like that, okay? So the name is written my mom's name. Okay. My mom's name. So actually she's not so much old. I'm only 18 years old, okay? Only 18 years. So Parshvati Pramanik, you can just join it. Okay. Okay, so I've completed the painting of camera. The cat. So we will draw a spider. Only a spider. I hope you know how to draw a spider. Just wait 1 minute. Okay, so I'll just paint the spider. Okay, I hope I will draw spider net. Spider. I hope I will draw the shape. I will just color by stopping my camera. Okay. Okay. You can't call Parshvati Pramanik. Yes. So I am just saying that you can command there, or your parents can command there. So how many spiders have how many? Okay, I have completed drawing the spider. Okay, so now we will draw a spider web beside it. That, yes, because I hope you just one kid I can see just saying that. Yes, I can hear you. I'm live. Okay, I hope you are okay. I'm very sorry for stopping the camera. It was accidentally. Can you see it? So faintly it just changed. How is it looking, kids? Is it looking pretty? I hope this is one rough sheet I made it. How nice. Okay, so and I made this. Okay, so don't worry, I have completed. Just sign your name. And one thing, during these days, please practice painting anything. And one explanation, these drawings I made from Yellow Class. You can install it at App Store, App Market, Game Center, anything. So subscribe our channel and click a like. And if you want to comment, and comment on our Instagram. Okay, so bye kids, bye peeps, bye. Do this full drawing. Okay, bye.